Forgive me if I look over your shoulder, but this is just kind of cool.
You're good. All right, so we are at 1036 43rd Avenue North in St. Petersburg. I am in the rear of the house where we've got a 3-inch drop coming out. We've got a 3-inch clean out here. We're going to be running out towards the back of the property. So we have a 45-degree bend. I don't see anything else tied into it. This is another clean out. So there's another clean out 4 feet this way. And then there is a combo. So that's coming from another direction. Let's take a look in here. All right, so you do have cast iron pipe in here. Doesn't look bad though.
That is fascinating.
See them all running. They're like, oh my God. All right, I'm going to pull the screen back so I can clean it. So we've made it all the way to the city tap where the green pipe is. We're going to turn some water on the kitchen stack, which would wrap around, if you're facing the back of the house, would wrap around the left side of the house. And it looks like all of that is going to be PVC. So I'm going to pull back through this cast iron, which looks to be in really good shape. It looks awesome. So here's our cast iron combo right here, or excuse me, PVC combo, right where before it gets to the cast iron. So we'll see which way the water flow comes from coming down from that kitchen sink. So you can see that kitchen sink flow started right there in that PVC combo, and it looks like it's flowing great. I'm going to let it flow a little bit of water, and then we'll run down through the cast iron, check the flow, and check the flow into the tap. So we're
It would
running.
be so stupid to have done all this work and then
I agree.
have it be ruined by a backup or have to.
So we're running through the cast now just to check the flow. And I'll push a little bit of that toilet paper debris right here. Which when you flush, that's going to go down anyway. And then we'll see how the flow looks at the tap.
And we're real careful too. We have a little girl, but no baby wipes, no.
That's the key to everything right there, I'm telling you. See how I was able to push that little bit of debris through there?
Mm-hmm.
And then it just drops down into the tap. Once it makes that drop, it's gone.
Okay.
Yeah, this looks awesome. As long as you're not using, no kind of flushable wipes, toilet paper, no crazy thick stuff, no Charmin, no Cottonelle.
We buy Sam's Club toilet paper.
Perfect. That's actually what I recommend for people. If they don't have a Sam's Club membership, I recommend Scott's.
Okay.
This looks great. I don't see any need to replace this.
Okay.
Honestly, I would spend the money on, making everything pretty and not digging this up.
Cool.
If it was my house.
Well,
And like I told you, so I'm the sewer man, right? And from my house to the tap, I still have cast iron.
Mm-hmm.
I redid everything just like you. Everything coming out of the house is PVC, just like your house.
Buddy did for me. He replaced everything inside too.
Perfect. Yeah, you're
We were
good.
doing stuff, and he said, "You know what, Sarah? You're doing all this." Because I was really concerned. I asked him one day. I said, "I've had 3 friends in the last 2 weeks have pipes burst under their slabs."
So we're back at the clean out.